Hello, welcome back. Today we're doing another video on the Alfa Romeo Giulietta QV, and today we are going to install a GSR induction kit. So first of all, you need to remove the front bumper. So if you don't know how to do that, have a look at my video up here where I've already done that. So here's the GSR induction kit. So I bought this used from a well-known auction site. What we need to do first is to remove the old airbox. Right, so looking in the engine bay, we need to remove this pipe. So there's a clamp down there, one there and one there. We need to keep the MAF sensor in place if we're going to be using that, and there's also this pipe here, it needs to come off, which is just on a Jubilee clip. So we try and do this. So these clamps here, I forget what they're called, but you need a special tool to undo them, which I do have. If you don't have the tool, you can use a screwdriver very carefully. So let's get them off first. So to remove the connector for the MAF, pull this yellow tab up, and then there's a lever to push in and just lift it up. So this is the tool I'm going to use to undo these clips. There you go. Simple as that. They just come up like that. Two undone. Just do this Jubilee clip. Just undo this Jubilee clip. Just pull that pipe off. I'll just do that up so I don't lose it. We've just got another clip down there. Just need to get this in here. You just set it down with the bumper away. Well, don't come in this easy, do they? I'll get my tool in there. Let's go sideways. Oh, fingers, fingers, fingers. There you go. Right, that one's off. There you go. So hard pipes off. Keep them. Okay, so we just take the MAF off. See that? Yep. MAF. Right, that's all we need to do up here. So now let's take the airbox off. Right, so there's a lug there, just a mounting lug by the look of it, no bolt. But if you look in, so there's a headlight, look under the headlight and look in there, you can see a mounting bolt. Looks like a 10mm, so we just undo that. Long extension. Bolt. Just undo this. Yeah, that's what's holding it in. Right, I'm going to put that back in there. Right, with that top mount undone, should just be able to lift this off. There you go. There's actually two lugs, one there, one at the back. You need to get your hand in there. There you go. That's out. So those are the two lugs that the airbox sat in. Right, first thing we need to do is put the pipe on the to the turbo. So we've got an elbow there, so let's put that on next. So here's the pipe, and you can see the takeoff there. So obviously it's got to go that way with the GSR facing the front of the car. So move that cable out of the way. Whatever you do, don't drop. Just get that out of the way. Right, just make sure that's all lined up. Yep. I'm not gonna. Right. I'm not going to do it up tight for now. I guess we have to move it a little bit. Okay. It's not fouling on anything. That one goes on to there. Okay, do that in a minute. Just going to turn it around a little bit. Okay, it's on. Right, put the map on, and best to put this on a way. Just put the map on and make sure you put the Jubilee clip on a way that you'll be able to get to the do it up correctly. Okay, that's in there like that. Okay. So I'm just doing it all loose at the moment. An air filter. From underneath. Don't forget the Jubilee clip, and then locate that on like that. screwdriver. That's the user socket. $7mm. Just gonna nip these up so they move. That's $7mm actually. Okay. So this bracket just goes into the original hole of the airbox. Just bolt that in there. Right. And make sure that one's tight as well. I'll just do that one. So this is how it looks. I've readjusted this bracket to go on this bolt here. You see that? Just so it has better clearance and doesn't hit the yellow arch up there. Nice and solid. Okay, so there you have it. Let's pan out. And then up top, obviously make sure all the Jubilee clips are tight. Plug the MAF back in. Make sure this air pipe is done up secure. So they're all done. I just had to cable tie this out of the way a little bit. It's a bit too near the pipe. And I think on acceleration when the engine moves it might hit and eventually wear that away, so I need to keep an eye on that. I may need to move that. I've tried to move this pipe over as much as I can, but you just can't get the angle then for this, so there we are. There's a complete install. Once the car's back together I will do a video of a noise test so you can hear what it sounds like. So thanks for watching, and I hope that's given you some ideas on how to install a GSR induction kit on an Alfa Romeo Giulietta QV.